Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.info. In this video, I want to show you how to use Apple Pay on websites. So let me open the website that I will use as an example to show you how to use Apple Pay on websites. So whatever website that you use to make a purchase, you want to go to checkout page. Here you can review all the details about your online order. So here on this page you can select your shipping address, your contact information, and overall summary of the order. And of course you will see a payment method section. So from the list of options you want to tap on Apple Pay. And now let's press this black button Apple Pay. So you will see preview of your transaction where you can see the card that you will use for this specific transaction. If you want to change your payment method, your payment card, you can go here and select desired card if you have multiple cards, and you will see the amount that you're going to spend. So now you have to confirm the transaction using the side button. You have to double click it. This is this button, power button, and then you will have to let me activate Apple Pay. Now we want to authenticate with your Face ID. You have to scan your face in order to complete the payment. And when the transaction is successful, you will see done and the check mark on your screen. So that's how you can use Apple Pay on your website. And I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.